the Candy wireless charging station by WITTI. So I want to give them a special shout out for sending this over for me to film. So let's dive right in. We have 10-watt fast charge, picture of the product itself with a phone on it, Qi wireless charging. Let's see on this side of the packaging, picture of the item. On this side, there you go. And let me get in here. It says compatible with those phones. So take a look at that if you want. And on the back, just some more pictures. Specifications on the bottom, WITTI. On the bottom, you got your barcode, etc. Cool. So how do I open this? Do I need a knife? No, I don't. Let's check this out. Okay. Here we go. Okay, we have another box inside the box. Okay, let's see. Ooh. All right. Empty. Put that to the side and all right. Okay. This to the side also. All right. Let's see. Candy wireless charger user guide. So pretty sure I can figure this out by myself. There you go. Put that to the side. And in this little Ziploc bag, we get the charging cable. Let me just unwind this real quick. Give you an idea of the length of the cable that you get. Here we go. It's a decent length. Nice. And this is USB Type-C. This is the charger itself. Feels pretty good to the touch, I'd say. On the back, this is where you plug in your USB Type-C. So you have your 4 feet right here. So then what's gonna happen is this is gonna go on your desk, just like that. Then we go ahead and find a charging brick, plugged it into a fast charger on the wall. So let's go ahead and test out some phones. This is my Galaxy S9 Plus, as you can see. So I'm gonna just go ahead and put the device down right here and let's just see what happens. There you go. Fast charging wirelessly, about 53 minutes until fully charged. Nice. And also, the phone is in a case. So it works through a case, which is good. Do that again one more time. And there you go. Fast charging wirelessly. And on the very bottom here, an LED indicator light, which turns blue when you have something on the charger. I do have my iPhone 10 or iPhone X, whatever you want to call this device. So what happens if I do that? There you go, see? 38% charged. Do that again. And let's go. Phone vibrated and it's charging the device. Cool. You can have this on your desk like that. Very nice on the table. Let's put on the S9 Plus again, because this one has the always on display. So if you want to have this on your desk, you need to quickly glance at your clock. You can have it like this instead of it being flat on the table. It'll display the clock and it's charging your phone at the same time. Very nice. And on the bottom here, so you can see this little platform is lined with rubber. It will not scratch the bottom of your device. The Candy wireless charging station by WITTI. I want to give them a special shout out for sending this over for me to review. If you're interested, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Give you an idea of how it's gonna give you